He was known as the king of good times, yacht parties surrounded by models, free-flowing alcohol, luxurious cars and the famous Kingfisher calendar. It's hard to picture Vijay Mallya without all this opulence. The liquor baron claims to be on an austerity drive. Deep in debt, Vijay Mallya is cutting down his monthly allowance. He says he's ready to cut down his spending by about 60%. But don't let that figure fool you. Here's how much he intends to restrict his monthly spending to: £29,500. In Indian rupees, that's about 26 lakhs. You heard that right. Vijay Mallya, on his austerity drive, is cutting his expenses down to 26 lakhs a month. His lawyers told the State Bank of India that their client is willing to cut his spending. The SBI is among the lenders that Vijay Mallya owes money to. Mallya is currently spending about £18,300 a week. Let me tell you what that kind of money can fetch you in London. A luxury apartment in one of London's upscale areas like Westminster costs approximately £2,000 a month. That leaves Mallya with £27,500. At a few parties, meals at Michelin star restaurants and the liquor baron will still have more than a few £1,000s to spare. So where is the austerity in all of this, we ask? Perhaps it's the exorbitant legal fees that he's paying that is pushing him to the brink of insolvency, or the cigars that he smokes, or the upkeep of his luxury cars that he drives around across London. That is what must be driving Vijay Mallya towards a more austere lifestyle, his version of austere though. To further the image of a poor Vijay Mallya, his lawyers claim that he is insolvent and that he is living off borrowed money. His lawyers said that he was living on money borrowed from his partner, his personal assistant, a business acquaintance and his children. They are funding his life. In a response to a petition filed against Mallya by a consortium of 13 banks, he said that his children support him. The banks claimed, and they said this in court, that Vijay Mallya received £84,000, that is close to 75 lakhs from his personal assistants. He also received £128,000 from a business acquaintance. That money amounts to 1.15 crore rupees. Vijay Mallya owes a consortium of Indian banks over 9,000 crore rupees. That is a lot of money, yes. He's currently fighting extradition to India on charges of fraud and money laundering. Indian banks are now seeking to seize more than £200,000 from one of Mallya's UK bank accounts. And to this, Vijay Mallya is playing the austerity drive card.